Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to activate Clipboard and how to view Clipboard History on Windows 11 laptop. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do on your keyboard is to press Window key plus V, and a dialog box like this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply go to On right here, turn it on. And with this, you are able to enable your clipboard. Then also from this section right here, you can also use this particular opportunity to check on some of the emoji right here. Click on here to see different types of emoji on your Windows PC, just like so. And then some of your clipboard history is going to be found right here. Okay, so you can use this arrow to go back to the clipboard section. And here we go. So this is where you view your clipboard history. Alternatively, you can also come down below right here, click on your window tab right here, and this is going to pop up. Navigate to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to system. It's secure right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down from the sidebar right here and then navigate to clipboard. So it takes you to your clipboard right here. So when you copy or cut something in Windows, it's copied to the clipboard for you to paste. That is basically the work of clipboard. And also you can come down below right here and click your clipboard data history if you have a lot of history in your clipboard. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to activate clipboard and how you can view your clipboard history on Windows 11 laptop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Windows tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.